touch this limit, something happens and you suddenly can go a little bit further. With your mind power, your determination, your instinct, and the experience as well, you can fly very high.
Becão, não podia concordar mais.
I have a very simple design philosophy, and that is everything for a reason, and that great design tells a great story. So every profile, every curve on this car has been designed for maximum driver engagement. I'm Robert Melville, Chief Designer for McLaren Automotive, and I led the design of the 720S. The story of the 720S all begins from the moment the air hits the car. Everything is designed to guide the air around the car as efficiently as possible. We've integrated dynamic LED headlamps into the eye socket as part of the aerodynamic system. The lens design is very upright, and this allows us to create a quality of light output that's never been seen before in a supercar. As we moved down to the side of the car, the key question was, how do you cool 720 PS without any visible side intakes? So our answer was to unpeel the car. We've literally created two skins to the door. This allows us to separate the high energy air flowing over the front shoulder and down into this door duct from the more turbulent lower body side air. So it makes for a very efficient design in terms of cooling. And in terms of drag, we're able to create a very low drag design because we actually take the turbulent air and we tuck it into the body, and that's why we have such a sculptural, such a sophisticated body side. One of my favourite bits of the exterior are the dihedral doors, and what we've done differently this time is to take the doors up and into the roof, making it very easy to step in and out of the car. Another key feature of the door is we've designed it to be 20 centimetres close to the body when fully open, so tight parking spaces are no longer a problem. The aim on the rear was to make the car look as wide and as muscular as possible, so we've really shrink-wrapped the aluminium body panels over the engineering package. Other key features would be the full-width, fully integrated active rear wing, the ultra-slim LED light blades, very purposeful twin-mounted central exhausts, and then up on the rear deck here we have the visible engine bay. It's also illuminated, so even at night you can see into all that fantastic engineering detail. And for the interior, the approach for colour and materials on this car was to really simplify the process by which the customer can define the look and feel of their vehicle. And of course, you can go to MSO for a further array of colour and materials options. One of the other key features on the interior is the driver display. It can go from a full screen, and it can actually then fold away in race mode to just a very slim auxiliary screen with just minimal amount of distractions to the driver. Very clean dashboard allows you to focus on the driving experience. Being stood in front of the car now, you feel incredibly proud of what the whole team's achieved. We live, breathe and sleep these products. It's our passion. Both myself and the team can't wait to see the car out on the road. It really is a car that's been designed to be driven.